Hey there, savvy viewers! Today, we're embarking on an epic journey into the world of passive income. Step by step, the secret sauce to financial freedom. First things first, discover your inner passion. What's that thing you can talk about for hours without getting tired? Whether it's knitting, cat memes, or deciphering the mysteries of the stock market, find your niche. You're not just building an income stream, you're building a legacy. Now, picture this, you on a beach, with a pineapple-infused beverage while your bank account steadily grows. Intrigued? That's where the magic of passive income streams comes in. There are options galore: affiliate marketing, real estate ventures, digital products. It's like choosing your character in a video game. Pick the one that resonates with your soul. Once you've got your passion and a list of potential money makers, it's time to craft a plan. Think of it as your treasure map. Where's X marks the spot of financial independence? Spoiler alert, it's probably buried under a pile of well-researched strategies. Now, let's talk about safety nets. No, not the circus kind. We're talking about an emergency fund. Because, let's face it, life has a weird sense of humor. Having a financial cushion means you can laugh in the face of unexpected expenses without breaking a sweat. Start small. Think of it as the humble beginnings of your hero story. Maybe you're the captain of affiliate marketing or the agent of real estate. Every hero starts somewhere, right? It's all about testing the waters, step by step, refining your skills, and avoiding those villainous financial pitfalls. Now, the real magic happens when you automate and delegate. You're not manually building each suit. You're creating a system that works for you. Automate those email campaigns, outsource tasks, and watch your income grow. While you sip that pineapple-infused beverage, preferably with an umbrella. With passive income step by step, you will need to regularly monitor and optimize your strategies. Stay vigilant to market trends, adapt your portfolio, and be ready to pivot. Remember, even superheroes need a costume upgrade now and then. In conclusion, building passive income is like embarking on an epic quest. It requires dedication, a sense of humor, and the ability to adapt to unexpected life twists. So, fellow adventurers, go forth, find your treasure, and may your passive income journey be nothing short of legendary. Care to join us? We have a proven passive income, step-by-step business. We use the right tools, video training, and strategies to build a successful online business, so you can hit the ground running right from day one. Click on the link in the description and sign up for more free information about such a program. You can start learning and earning today. Thank you for watching.